Hi. So today I learned something new about React, that how user state works and how we can pass a props to a further component to in everyday to a sunk component.
And passing it down as props. So the parent owns the state and yeah, and then gives value and callbacks to the child. When the child triggers the callback, the parent updates the state, right?
Yeah, yeah. So there's anything that I can have in mind, or some tip or advice that you can give me about React?
Searching. Yes. So a few tips. Think of state as living at the highest component that needs it. Don't push it higher than necessary. Keep components small and reusable, and treat props like read only. If a child needs to update, call back up instead of mutating directly. And one good question to ask yourself when learning React is, where should this state live? That single habit helps. What's the piece you still feel a bit fuzzy on?
I like to continue learning things about React, and I mean the hooks. It doesn't take me it's not clear enough for me right now, I think, but I will get it. I think maybe if you can explain it, I will be grateful.
Check. Are just special functions that let your component use React features, like useState for remembering values and useEffect for running code after renders, like fetching data. Don't try to memorize all of them at once. Start with these two, get used to how they feel, and the others will make more sense later.
Okay, so also I learned how to start a project in React, and also to use like the snippet RAFCA, that with that you can create a new component, and it's like a template to give the props and their return values to that function.
Checking. Yeah, exactly. That snippet just generates a basic React component full. But what's really worth learning is the structure underneath. Make a simple component, then add props like text or onClick, render it, pass real values, and see how data flows. The more you practice making tiny components by hand, the less you'll rely on snippets. Snippets speed things up, sure, but understanding the code,
Yeah, honestly,
the actual skill.
yeah, actually, I like it to like create a new project by zero, just with React, to learn how to work with that, and see how can I improve the knowledge, or have the or fetch data, and do all that kind of stuff that for me is kind of funny because I can see it. So also something there's a lot of things that I have
Building
to
from
learn.
scratch is a good idea.
Continue.
Yep, yep. So, okay, start small. Use Vite to scaffold a clean React app. Make one parent-child example with state and props. Then add one fetch call to practice useEffect. Keep it simple, then iterate.
Okay, I get it. Yeah, I think that's fine. So that's it for today. Thanks.